Hi guys, it's Enu here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to design a poster in Pixellab. As you can see, this is what we are going to be designing in Pixellab. So without wasting much of our time, let's jump into the video. So we're going to start from afresh. We're going to delete this one, then we start from afresh. So we're going to maintain this image size. We head over the three dot icon, go to image size. So the size is 1280 by 1280. We're gonna change the background color to white. Then we start importing our resource. We click on the plus icon and from gallery. Okay. We head over to relative size. Then we head over to color. Then we change the color, we change it to black. Then we head over to opacity, then reduce opacity to 4. After that, go to the layer side and lock our layer. We click on the plus icon, go for a shape. We're going to change the color to red. Then we increase the radius to 100. Increase the size. We increase the size. Position it somewhere here. Then we lock our layer. We import. Okay, so we position it somewhere here. Position it here. We then make a duplicate, reduce the size a bit, then we position it somewhere here. Okay, let's import the shadow from our gallery. Okay, place it, go to the layer side, we click and drag, place it under the image. Let's reduce opacity a bit. We then make a duplicate. Reduce the size and go to the layer side, we click and drag under the image. We move it up a bit, something like this. Okay, let's reduce opacity. Okay, we lock our layers. Then we click on the plus icon, go for a shape. Increase radius so that the edges will be round. Reduce the size. And then replace it there. Let's change the color to black. Replace it there. You click on the plus icon, go for a shape again. This time around, we're going to change the color to black. Something like this is okay. Press the check mark, rotate it a bit, then replace it somewhere here. We're going to make a duplicate of this shape, then we rotate it a bit, replace it here. We're going to change the color to white, like this. So we go to the layer side, then we select both shapes, then we merge them. So we head over to color eraser. Then when we enable color eraser, automatically the white color will be normal here. So we click and drag under the image. Let's lock our layer as well. Okay, so let's type in our S. Click on the plus icon, go for text. Let's change the color to the yellow color. Then we change the font to East Octopus. This one. Increase the size. We click to edit. Increase the size a bit. Yeah, make a duplicate, place it somewhere here. Go to edit. Okay, make a duplicate again, place it somewhere here. This time around we're going to change the color to black, white rather, white. And we're going to change the font to the dope style, yeah. And we head over to edit. Yeah, special. Okay, increase the size. Yeah, today's special menu. We click on the plus icon, go for test. Okay, we're gonna rotate our test. Let's go to rotate to rather give us accurate rotation. Okay. Yeah, go to edit. 30%. Yeah. Increase the size. Change the color to yellow. Then we head over to font. Montserrat bold. Okay. Okay. Yeah. You click on the plus icon, go for text. Place it here. Change the color to white. Click on edit. Extra. Yeah. Extra. Reduce the size. Then you head over to rotate. Okay, you place it here. Yeah, Montserrat. And reduce the size. Okay, and you position it well. Okay, yeah. You then make a duplicate and you position it here. Okay, yeah. So you click on the plus icon, go for shape again. Reduce or increase the radius so that the edges will be round. Position it here. Reduce the size. We change the color to red. Yeah, bring it down a bit. Okay, reduce the size. Okay, yeah, something like this is okay. Yeah, so go to plus icon, go for a test. You place it here, then you reduce. We change the color to white. You head over to font and change the font to Montserrat. You head over to edit. Okay, reduce the size. Click on the plus icon, go for test again. Position it here. Okay, we head over to font and change the font to Montserrat medium. Reduce the size and change the color to black. Okay, make a duplicate, reduce the size, make a duplicate of this and position it here. That's a social media handle at PizzamanGH. So you click on the plus icon, go for a test. You head over to font. We're going to use this font. This font is called social font. Yeah, social font. So W is for WhatsApp. So we have the WhatsApp icon over here. And we're going to change the color to red. Okay, we make a duplicate. Yeah, the WhatsApp. Then we are going to, the Pizza Man is their social media, Facebook and Instagram. Can get in touch. Is Facebook, Instagram. F and I is Facebook and Instagram. Position it well. Okay. Click on a plus icon. Go for a shape. Increase radius. Then position it here. Click the check mark. Head over to opacity and reduce opacity. Make a duplicate of the shape. Go to back to opacity and increase full opacity. Change the color to black. Reduce the size and position it in the middle. Make a duplicate of this text. Change the color to white. Click on edit and type in your words. Only today. Then press OK. Make a duplicate of this text. 30%. Make a duplicate. Bring it here. You go to edit. You head over to line spacing and you close line spacing. Okay, bring it down a bit. Yeah. You click on the plus icon, go for image, is the logo. Okay, so we're going to remove the background color erase. So immediately we enable our color erase. The background automatically be erased. So we're going to change the color to yellow, then reduce the size and position it here. Okay, yeah. Alright, so let's enable our grid lines and make sure our design is in the middle. So let's select all of them together. Then we position it in the middle. Okay, yeah. So after you save your design,